Find out. Find out is to discover information you didn't know before. Find out is one of the most important phrasal verbs in English because it applies to everyday life, work, school, and even big life events. It means you learn something new, sometimes by asking questions, sometimes by researching, and sometimes by surprise. You can find out something by searching, by asking, by checking online, by reading, by hearing from someone, or discovering unexpectedly. You'll hear it in sentences like, I just found out about it. Or, we need to find out what happened. Maybe also, let me find out the details. You'll find out soon. It's perfect for secrets, surprises, news, answers, and facts. Some examples are, I need to find out what time the meeting starts. Or, she found out the truth yesterday. Let me find out if the store is still open. They found out they were moving to a new city. Did you find out who called you? Now repeat after me. Find out. Find out. Find out. In the past, we would say, found out. Found out. Found out. I'll find out the information. She found out yesterday. Did you find out what happened?